In the previous class, I have given an example to solve by yourself. Now, I will be doing 3 examples today to find mean, median, mode for 3 distribution. One is simple distribution, second simple frequency distribution, and group frequency distribution. Okay. So first, for the simple frequency distribution, how to find mean, median, mode. Okay, I'll be doing 3 examples. The first example is find mean, median, mode of the following distribution, and the distribution is given as a series of numbers 4, 3, 2, 5, 3, 4, 5, 1, 7, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is given as simple distribution of a variable. Now here total number of observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I have already told that whenever a simple distribution of the values are given, we have to first assign it in the ascending form or descending form. So we will assign it as ascending form. So rearranging we get 1 happens 2 times, next 2 happen 2 times, next 3 happen 3 times, so 3, 3, 3, next 4 happen 2 times, 4, 4, next 5 happen 2 times, 5, 5, next there is no 6 and 7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There is total 12 number is 12 observation is given. Now it is in the ascending order. Okay, now to calculate mean, we know for simple distribution the mean is summation of xi divided by n. Xi are these numbers x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay, and n is the total number of observation. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 up to these terms plus 7 divided by n, which is 12. Okay, now we have to add these total numbers. 1 plus 1 2 to 4, 6, 9, 12, 15, 19, 23, 28, 33 and 7, which is 40. So 40 by 12. You can calculate it yourself. There may be a mistake. Okay, 1, 2 to 4 to 6, 9, 12, 15, 19, 23, 28, 33, 40. Okay, so 40 by 12, which is 3.333. Okay, you can use the calculator also. So this is mean. Now for median. Here total number of observation n equals to 12. Now we have to calculate n plus 1 by 2, which is as there is only MCQ question you will have, so you can calculate it in short form. Okay, just need the values. Okay, n plus 1 by 2, which is 12 plus 1 13, which is 6.5. Okay, 12 plus 13 to 6.5. Okay, so 6.5 means it is lies between two whole numbers, which is 6 and 7. So the median will be the values at the 6th position plus the values at the 7th position divided by 2, their average. Okay, so median equals to the values at 6th position, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 3, and the values at 7th position, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is 3. So 3 plus 3 divided by 2, which is 3. So 3 will be the median. Okay, and for mode, What is mode? Mode is the value which have occurred most of the times. Okay, so here we see that 1 occurs 2 times, 2 occurs 2 times, 3 occurs 3 times, 4 occurs 2 times, 5 occurs 2 times. So 3 occurs 3 times, which is the maximum times. Okay, so mode will be 3. Okay, so for a simple distribution we can find the mean median mode in this process, right? Now second example which is based on the simple frequency distribution to find mean median mode of a simple frequency distribution. So let's set an example. Here is an example. Now for simple frequency distribution and group frequency distribution, we always write in this form in column wise. Okay, so first x, next frequency. So x are given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, and corresponding frequencies are 1, 4, 12, 9, 2, 1, 1. Okay, so this is the simple frequency distribution has given. Now we have to find mean median mode. Now for mean, what is mean? We have known, which is 1 by capital N summation xi fi. Okay, where capital N equals to summation fi. Okay, so we have to calculate total number of frequency, which is n equals to. Okay, and we have to calculate xi fi as we have to find the sums. Okay, so xi fi is 1 into 1 1, 2 into 4 8, 3 into 12 36, 9 into 4 36, 5 into 10 2 10, 6 into 1 6, 7 into 1 7. We have to calculate these total numbers, sums of the total numbers. Okay, so here total number frequency 5 till 17, 26, 30. Okay, and adding this number we will get we will get 104. Okay, 1 plus 8 plus 36 plus 36 plus 10 plus 6 plus 7, 104. Okay, so mean will be, this is 104 divided by total number of frequency, which is 30. We will get 3.466. 3.4666 means 3.467, approximately up to 3 times. Okay, so this is mean. Now to calculate median, I have already told that to calculate median we need the cumulative frequency. So we have to calculate the cumulative frequencies, that is CF. So first one, we will always take the less than type cumulative frequency. Okay, 1 4 plus 1 5, 12 plus 5 17, 17 plus 9 26, 26 plus 2 28, 20 plus 1 29, and lastly 30. Okay, so this is n. Okay, now to calculate median we have total number of frequency 30. To calculate median we need here n equals to 30. We have to find the value n plus 1 by 2, which is 30 plus 1 by 2, which is 15.5. Okay, 30 plus 1 31 by 2, 15.5. Now 15.5 lies in this section. Okay, lies between the cumulative frequency 5 and 17. Now we have the first frequency 1 has the values 2, next 4 frequency have the values 2, and the next 12 frequency, this 12 frequency is the 15.5. 15.5 is the next one of the next 12 frequencies. Okay, so 15.5 lies between 15 and 16. Now as 15s also have the same frequency 3, and the 16th number of position frequency has the also frequency 3. Okay, so the required median will be 15th values at the 15th frequency 3, and the 6 values of the 16th frequency, which is also 3. 3 plus 3 divided by 2, which will be 3. Okay, it is also 3. Now for mode, it is obviously seeing that the most frequency occurs at the values 3. Okay, 1, 4, 12, 9, 2, 1, 1. So most frequency occurs at the value 12, at the value 3. So 3 will be the median, 3 will be the mode. Okay, so mode is 3. Okay, so in this way we will calculate the mean, median, mode for the simple frequency distribution. Now for a group frequency distribution, how to find mean, median and mode. Now also I will show another process to calculate mean, that is deviation process, taking the deviation when the values are in the larger form. Okay, to calculate it easily, we will use the deviation form. Let's take an example. Let's take an example. Example number 3. The class intervals are given as 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99, 100 to 109, and 110 to 119. Okay, and the corresponding frequencies are given as 2, 5, 8, 12, 15, 10 and 8. Okay, now this is a group frequency distribution has given. First we have to check that the class intervals are not in continuous form, as each of the interval, the last values of an interval does not equal to the next lowest values of the interval. Okay, as here is 59, 60, 69, 70. So these are not in the continuous form. So first we have to find the class boundaries. Okay, class boundaries, lower boundaries, upper boundaries. Okay, to make it continuous, we will use the averages of the first interval last values and next interval first values. This is 59 and 60. What is difference between them? This is 1. So averages is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is 0.5. So we will add the 0.5 in this interval, and in this interval we will minus this 0.5. Okay, to make it to take the interval in the same length, we will also do this 0.5. we will subtract 0.5 from this also and add 0.5 in this part. Okay, so after adding and subtracting the 0.5, the class boundaries will be, this is 49.5 to 59.5. Okay, this is 59.5 to 69.5. This is 69.5 to 79.5. Okay, this is 79.5 to 89.5. So, and similar. Okay, so now these are in the continuous form. Okay, now we see that the class width, that is the class length, are all equal. Okay, and equal to equal to 10. So here C equals to 10. We have to calculate total number of frequency. Now to calculate mean of this distribution, we have to take the class marks as the values of the interval. Okay, which will be taken as xi. So what is the class marks? It is the mid values of each of the interval. What is mid values of each of the interval? This will be 45, right? No, sorry, 55, right? No. What will be the mid value? So we will take the average, 59.5 plus 49.5 divided by 2. So 54.5. Mid value will be 54.5, and similarly it will be 64.5. This will be 74.5. This will be 84.5, 94.5, 104.5, and this will be, sorry, this will be 54, 64, 74, 84, 94, 104. This will be 114.5. Okay, so this will be we will take these values as the values of the variable, which are class marks. Okay. Now to calculate mean, we have the formula. We have the formula to calculate mean, which is summation xi fi divided by capital N. Capital N is the total number of frequency. Here total number of frequency is 7, 8, 15, 30, 42, 52, 60. Okay, and these are the values of xi. So we have to multiply this. Now you see that here if we multiply these numbers, we will get a very large numbers. Okay, so we will take a deviation. So deviation mean, we will assume a mean. Okay, we will assume a mean in this values of the variables. Okay, we will take any numbers as the assume mean. Let's take the mid formula, which is 84.5 as the assume mean. Okay, so we will take the deviation d equals to xi minus a. Okay, so calculate xi minus a. We will get 84.5 minus 54.5, which is 30, minus 30, next minus 20, next minus 10. This will be 0, this will be 10, 20, 30. Now whenever we take the deviation di, the formula changes to summation di fi divided by n. Okay. So in this way we will calculate easily the mean. We can calculate it easily. So we will calculate DIFI, which is what is DIFI? So minus 30 into 2, which is minus 60, minus 20 into 5, this will be A plus, which is assume mean, A plus summation DIFI divided by n. Okay, this is the formula for if we take the deviation. Okay, so this is the formula and this is the normal formula. So minus 60, next this is minus 100, this will be minus 80, this will be 0, 10 into 15, 150, this is 200 and this will be 240. Now we will take the sum of these values, which will be 1 minute, 240 plus 200 plus 150 minus 80 minus 100 minus 60, which is 350. Okay, now using this formula we will get assume mean is 84.5 plus 350 divided by 60. Okay, so 35 by 60 means 35 by 6, which is 5.83. So 84.5 plus 5.83, which is 90.333. Okay, so this is the mean. Now you can calculate it in the without taking the deviation. You will get 90.333. You can try it yourself. Okay, now to calculate median. So to calculate median we have to find the cumulative frequency. So first we will find the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency is 2, next 7, next 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 12 27, 27 plus 15 42, 42 plus 10 52, 52 plus 8, which is 60. Okay, this is n. Now for group frequency distribution we have to find n by 2, which is 30. Okay, so 30 lies between these two cumulative frequency 27 and 42. So the median class will be this. Okay, 42 corresponding the median class, so this will be the median class. Okay, now as the median class is already we have found the median class, we have to find the lower boundary of the median class, which will be L. Okay, now we have to we also need the cumulative frequency just preceding the median class. So this is cumulative frequency CF and the frequency in the median class, this will be F. Okay, so for median we know the formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into class interval, which is C, the length of the class interval, which is C. So L is, we get L is 89.5. okay, in this part 89.5 is as the L. Let's write it here. L is 89.5, CF is 27, F is 15 and C is, what is C? C is 10. So putting these values we will get n by 2. N by 2 means 30 minus CF 27 divided by F is 15 into 10. So 89.5 plus 3 by 15 into 10. So 352 So 91.5. So this will be the median. Okay. Now to calculate mode. So first we have to find the modal class. So modal class is the interval which have the maximum frequency. Here 15 is the maximum frequency, which lies between which has the class interval 90 to 99. So this is also the modal class. Okay, so modal class, the lower boundary of the modal class is 89.5. So for modal class L is 89.5. Now for median to calculate mode, we need the frequencies of the preceding the modal class and succeeding the modal class and the frequencies in the modal class. So this is F1, this is F2, and this is Fm for the modal class. Okay, so we have the formula. We know that L plus Fm minus F1 divided by 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 into the class interval. Okay, so L is 89.5, Fm is 15 minus F1 is 12 divided by 2Fm, 2 into 15 minus F1 is 12 and F2 is 10 into 10. Okay, now calculate it. 89.5, 15 minus 12, which is 3. This is 30 minus 22, which is 8. Okay, 15 into 2, 30 minus 22 into 10. So 30 by 8. 30 divided by 8 equals to 3.75. So 89.5 plus 3.75 plus 89.5. So total 93.25. So this is mode. Okay, so we have found mean, median, mode. Also we have used a deviation process. You can use it or you can calculate it in the normal process XIFI by using the class marks. As you can use the calculator, so it cannot be very difficult for you. Okay, you can use any of one of the process. Okay, but in the dispersion, if you use the deviation process, it will be very easier. Okay, now you can try the example I have given in the previous class. Also I will be given 3 examples to calculate mean, median, mode. Okay, write it down. Find mean, median, mode for the 3 example. Find mean, median, mode for 3 distribution. 1, 3, 9, 7, 4, 8, 6, 7. Okay, next for simple frequency distribution. Xi and Fi. Okay, 14, 17, 23, 32, 48, and corresponding frequencies 3, 4, 10, 8, 4. Okay, find median, mode for this distribution. And lastly for group frequency distribution, class interval and frequencies. 122, 130, 132, 140, 142, 150, 152, 160, 162, 170, and 172, 180. And the corresponding frequencies are 25, 35, 52, 48, 30, and 10. Okay, find mean median mode of this distribution. In the next class I will start another concept, which is quartile. Okay, and to calculate find the missing frequency of a distribution. Okay, then this chapter will be closed. I will start the next chapter, which is dispersion. Okay, thank you.